Have you ever driven past a renovation site and noticed an old wooden door leaning against a dumpster? Maybe the paint was peeling. Maybe the hardware was rusty. Maybe the door looked too worn out to ever be useful again. Most people would see trash. But what if that discarded door was actually one of the most valuable pieces of wood you could bring home? What if that forgotten slab of timber could become a beautiful coffee table, a stunning headboard, a stylish wall organizer, or even the centerpiece of an entire room? The truth is, old doors are one of the most overlooked treasures in the world of home decor and furniture revival. They're large. They're sturdy. They're full of character. And perhaps most importantly, they already possess something that new materials often lack: history. Every scratch tells a story. Every layer of paint reveals a different era. Every dent reflects years of use. And when those details are thoughtfully incorporated into a new design, something remarkable happens. The object gains a second life. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're exploring 9 creative ways to repurpose salvage doors into beautiful home decor and functional furniture. These projects combine sustainability, creativity, and craftsmanship while proving that some of the best design materials are already hiding in plain sight. And as we move through these ideas, you'll begin to see why recycled home decor remains one of the strongest long-term trends in both woodworking and interior design. Because people love transformation. They love seeing something forgotten become something extraordinary. Let's start with one of the most dramatic transformations possible. Imagine walking into a bedroom and seeing a massive rustic headboard stretching across the wall. The texture feels authentic. The grain patterns feel rich. The character feels impossible to replicate with factory-made furniture. What makes it even more interesting is that the headboard was once a door. Old doors often contain beautiful panel designs that naturally lend themselves to bedroom furniture. Instead of hiding these details, great designs celebrate them. The raised panels become decorative features. The weathered paint becomes visual texture. The original imperfections become part of the story. The salvage door headboard instantly creates a focal point while introducing warmth and personality into the room. And unlike mass-produced furniture, it carries a unique identity. No two doors are exactly alike. That uniqueness is increasingly valuable in modern homes. Now imagine moving into the living room. Against one wall stands a beautiful entryway bench. At first glance, it looks like custom furniture from a boutique design store. But a closer look reveals something fascinating. The backrest originated from an antique door. The paneling creates visual interest. The aged wood provides character. The design feels both practical and artistic. Furniture created from salvage doors often succeeds because the material already possesses structure. Instead of starting with raw lumber, you're working with a component that already contains architectural details. Those details instantly elevate the final result. This principle appears again and again throughout successful upcycling projects. The best transformations don't erase history. They build upon it. As we continue exploring possibilities, another idea emerges that perfectly blends function and style. Wall-mounted organizers. Modern households constantly struggle with clutter. Keys, mail, sunglasses, notes. Small items seem to accumulate endlessly. The salvage door provides an ideal solution. By mounting it vertically and adding hooks, shelves, or storage compartments, the door becomes a functional organization center. Yet it remains decorative. The original framework adds visual interest. The weathered finish adds personality. The result feels far more engaging than ordinary storage solutions. This combination of beauty and utility explains why repurposed furniture continues attracting homeowners. People don't simply want storage. They want storage that contributes to the room. Now let's step into the dining area. Picture a large farmhouse dining table surrounded by family and friends. The tabletop displays beautiful grain patterns. The dimensions feel generous. The atmosphere feels welcoming. And yes, the tabletop began as an old door. This transformation remains one of the most popular furniture revival projects for a reason. Doors often provide large, stable surfaces ideal for tabletops. Their age contributes character. Their imperfections contribute authenticity. The final piece feels lived in from day one. Modern consumers increasingly appreciate this quality. They want homes that feel personal rather than staged. A repurposed dining table accomplishes exactly that. Each mark becomes part of the story. Each detail reflects the material's journey, and that narrative adds emotional value. Moving into another part of the home, consider decorative wall art. Not every door needs to become furniture. Sometimes the door itself is the art. Architectural salvage has become incredibly popular among interior designers because it introduces texture and dimension. An old door mounted on a wall creates instant visual impact. Its proportions command attention. Its weathered surfaces add depth. Its architectural details create interest. Large blank walls suddenly feel intentional. Rooms gain character. The door becomes a conversation piece. And because salvage doors come in countless styles, from farmhouse to Victorian to industrial, the design possibilities feel endless. One of the most exciting aspects of upcycling is discovering beauty where others see limitations. A discarded door perfectly embodies that philosophy. Now imagine a modern home office. Organization matters. Functionality matters. But aesthetics matter too. A salvage door can easily become a desk. Its generous dimensions provide workspace. Its sturdy construction provides durability. Its character provides warmth. Compared to generic office furniture, the result feels far more personal. And in an era where people spend increasing amounts of time working from home, personalized workspaces continue growing in importance. The environment influences productivity, creativity, comfort. A thoughtfully repurposed desk contributes positively to all three. As we move toward another idea, let's consider mirrors. Large decorative mirrors remain a staple of interior design because they reflect light and create the illusion of space. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Yet the frame often determines whether a mirror feels ordinary or extraordinary. A salvage door frame can transform a simple mirror into a statement piece. The proportions feel grand. The details feel authentic. The history becomes visible. Placed in an entryway, bedroom, or living room, the mirror instantly elevates the space. This project demonstrates an important principle. Sometimes the most valuable element isn't what we add. It's what already exists. The door provides character before any modifications occur. That built-in character is difficult to manufacture. And authenticity continues gaining value in today's design world. Now, picture a kitchen. Storage remains essential. Open shelving remains popular. A salvage door can become a beautiful display shelf. By integrating shelving within the framework, the door gains new functionality while retaining its original charm. Cookbooks, plants, ceramics, decorative accessories. Everything appears more intentional when displayed within a thoughtfully designed structure. The contrast between old material and modern styling creates visual interest. This blending of past and present represents one of the strongest trends in contemporary interior design. People appreciate spaces that feel layered rather than manufactured. Reclaimed materials contribute that sense of depth. Finally, imagine stepping into a garden. Outdoor spaces deserve just as much creativity as interiors. A salvage door can become a decorative garden feature, a vertical planter, privacy screen, a climbing trellis. The weathered material naturally complements outdoor environments. Its imperfections feel appropriate. Its aging process continues gracefully. Rather than fighting nature, the material works alongside it. The result feels organic, authentic, connected to its surroundings. And that's ultimately what great design achieves. Connection between material and purpose, between history and future, between functionality and beauty. As we've explored these 9 ideas, a larger pattern emerges. The popularity of recycled home decor isn't accidental. It reflects changing values. People increasingly care about sustainability. They care about craftsmanship. They care about uniqueness. Mass-produced products often struggle to provide these qualities. Repurposed projects excel at them. Every salvaged door possesses individuality. Every transformation tells a different story. And every finished piece feels more meaningful because of its journey. This is one reason multi-idea content performs so well over time. Unlike trend-driven topics that fade quickly, furniture revival remains evergreen. Homeowners continuously search for creative ways to improve their spaces. DIY enthusiasts constantly seek inspiration. Woodworkers regularly look for new project ideas. The demand never truly disappears. People always have old furniture, old materials, old doors, and they always wonder what those materials could become. That's why transformation content remains so compelling. Viewers enjoy possibility. They enjoy surprise. They enjoy witnessing creativity solve problems. A salvaged door appears ordinary. Its potential feels hidden. The transformation reveals what was always there. And that reveal creates satisfaction. Perhaps more importantly, these projects encourage a different perspective. Instead of immediately discarding old materials, people begin asking questions. Could this become something useful? Could this become something beautiful? Could this become something valuable? Those questions spark creativity, and creativity often leads to remarkable results. The environmental benefits are equally significant. Every repurposed door reduces waste. Every reused material extends a resource's lifespan. Every furniture revival project reduces demand for new manufacturing. Small individual decisions collectively create meaningful impact. Yet sustainability alone isn't what makes these projects successful. Beauty matters too. Functionality matters too. The most enduring upcycling projects succeed because they deliver all three: environmental responsibility, practical usefulness, visual appeal. When those qualities align, something special happens. The project transcends recycling. It becomes design. As you look around your own home, workshop, or neighborhood, chances are you'll begin noticing old doors differently. What once looked worn out may start looking full of possibility. What once seemed destined for disposal may begin suggesting new ideas. Headboard, bench, a table, a mirror, a shelf, a garden feature. The possibilities are surprisingly extensive, and that's the beauty of creative reuse. The material isn't finished. Its story isn't over. It simply awaits the next chapter, the next transformation, the next purpose. Because in the world of furniture revival and home decor, some of the most extraordinary pieces begin their journey as ordinary objects. Objects that someone else overlooked. Objects that someone else abandoned. Objects that still had plenty of life remaining. A salvage door is more than wood. It's potential. And with a little imagination, that potential can become something truly remarkable. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.